guys, welcome back to Ethereal Orb. I am Megan and I have pretty painted nails today. I paint my nails about 4 times a year, so I get very excited when they're pretty. And then 2 days later they start chipping, and I think this is why I don't paint my nails. Okay, off topic already, and we haven't even started. So you've probably seen some of the bottle pours that are really going around right now. So I grabbed a bottle when my husband was done with the water and thought I would give it a try tonight. So I'm going to do something just a hair bit different, though. Where's my cup? I cleaned today, so of course I can't find anything. Okay, my cup was literally staring me in the face. Okay, so here is my, this is a baby food. You get it with in the baby department to put formula. It's like a formula dispenser to take out to go with you in your diaper bag. It's the inside of one of those. This one came apart. This one does not. This one had like a middle spot. Anyway, they're just a little bit different. But it doesn't matter. So I'm going to try and put different colors in 2 of the sections and then pour a swirl right here, from right here, and see if I can get one side of the swirl to be like, you know, these colors and then the other side to be these colors. I'm not sure if it'll work. I don't know if they'll kind of just meld together into one blob of a mess. I've not tried it before, so we're going to give that a shot. So let me move this. Let's fill this first. And this is where you have to stop talking to me out there, because when I'm filming, for some reason, the last few times I've done swirls, I haven't been thinking because I've been talking to you guys, and then I put my swirl colors in backwards, because the last color in is the last color out. So the first color in, the first color in is the last color out. So the one I want in the middle needs to be the first color I pour. Do you have that? Because I'm sort of talking to myself, so I have that. Okay, so I have peach and yellow for one side, and I might put some white in with that side. And then for the other side, I have 2 shades of kind of an aqua color. My bedroom, when I was growing up, was smoky aquamarine. I still remember the name of the color of paint that I picked out. I loved it. Smoky aquamarine. I was obsessed with that paint color. Okay, so anyway, I have purple, aqua, and a dark aqua. And then I have yellow, orange, and maybe some of this. This is kind of a metallic white. So now I have to decide. I think I'll do purple, or purple in the middle. So I want to do purple first over here. And then some of this aqua. The aqua is sinking. For some reason, with swirls and then just a hair bit more purple, I found that even when the colors sink, they still seem to come out in the order that you put them in the cup. This time it won't, because I just said it was going to. Okay, now some of this dark. This actually holds more paint than I thought it did. I kind of tested it out with some water. And it actually holds quite a bit. I was really surprised. I was thinking it wouldn't hold very much paint. But it did. I'm going to add just a hair bit of purple just to give a little bit more contrast in that swirl when it first starts, but not very much. Just, let's add some right here. Just a little bit more, because the more of those pretty swirl patterns we can get, the more defined, the prettier it will be. Okay, that's probably enough. I don't have an enormous canvas. Okay, so this side, I think we have that dark purple. Let's do yellow and hope we don't get any kind of mud. Should we do white? Let's do just a hair bit of white. Just a little bit, though. In that part, anyway. And I have 3 colors on this side, on that side. This neon yellow mixed really kind of weird. It felt kind of old when I was pouring, or when I was mixing it. It shouldn't be. Isn't everybody using neon yellow? I love neon yellow. It's the only yellow I actually really like to... Well, I can't say that. I've been branching out with my yellows a little bit. I just don't like mustard yellow. And this is a personal preference thing, so don't get, you know, I'm going to just a little bit more white if you use the color combination. But when I see pours that have ketchup red and mustard yellow, that's all I can think about. Maybe I'm a little too obsessed with food. My husband says I'm a little too obsessed with food. I like food. Okay. I think that, let's make sure are they even? I'm going to check and make sure they're even, because if not, they might not pour out at the same time. Oh, well, looky there. I wasn't even trying, and I should have been, and woohoo! Okay. So, I am going to put some white on the canvas, because it does flow better. Woo. And I'm not sure. Let me make sure this is it. There we go. And I'm not exactly sure how much paint that is, so let's make sure we have some on the edges. Okay. So, here is the bottle. I've never done one of these bottle pours before, and I've never done a swirl from this cup, so I'm trying 2 new things at the same time. Okay, and we'll see if either of them turn out to be disasters. Oh look, my purple didn't come out first. Huh. For some reason, the yellow and the peach don't seem to be, oh there we go, I was going to say they don't seem to be taking out. I am not right in the middle though, there we go. I wasn't pouring quite from the middle, you know, where the center line was right in the center. Oh, this is kind of pretty. Look at that, where the purple and the teal and the yellow and the orange are coming together. Super pretty. Okay. My last couple of pours were kind of fails, so I was hoping for something a little better this time. Okay. Moment of truth here. I'll go to the center, and then we'll... I do want to keep some of that. I might try for some, go for some negative space here, because it's actually really pretty. I don't want to lose that. Look, I really don't want to lose that. And let's go off here. Yeah, I am going to... I'm not sure. I want to save this, so I don't want to move it anymore. I'm going to turn my canvas a bit. Because, wait here. I'm going to sort of, I don't have enough white on that part of the canvas to say it's, you know, covered for negative space. So what I'm going to do is pour a little bit more white right here. It's okay that I dripped, because I'm kind of going to try and, there we go, incorporate that blue. I think I'm going to use a straw. Actually, let me see if I can just use this a little bit. Almost do a swipe, but just in this one spot. Kind of coax that green into that white a little bit. That helped a little bit. I just want to soften that edge. I like negative space, but I like it to look like it's a natural negative space. Not that I poured and that's where it stopped. So I am going to use a straw just a little bit. Let's go this way. Ooh. Ah. Some cells popped up from the air from my straw. That's kind of weird. My husband did get me a what's it called? An airbrush gun, but I need to get a small air compressor. We have a large air compressor, but it is extremely noisy and it's huge, so I'd have to bring it in the house every time, and so we have to work that out. I think this one is done, because I am not going to mess with it, because I do not want to mess with that area right there. I like it. I might tilt just a little bit. Nope. I'm going to keep the negative space. It has the white here, so I'm good with that. Almost looks like a green flower, or a purple and green flower with some orange and yellow. I don't know. Let's do some close-ups real quick after I wipe off my hands. Okay, did you like my little Mr. Bean impression there? Okay, look at that. Ooh, that's pretty, pretty, pretty. Really like what that did there. Okay. And then over here, and look, some of the orange and yellow migrated right there. It's quite pretty. The details on the blue and the green side are really, really pretty. The yellow and orange, I don't know if it's because I had two colors or I layered them too close. I might have to watch the video again and see what if it happened when I tilted. Or what, because they don't have quite they don't have that swirl striation pattern. But it is there in the middle. Well, I'd say it was a success. The two sides did stay separate. We have definite half and half of the blue and the green, or the green and the purple and the yellow and the orange. Something to try again. And if you try something like this, let me know. You can share pictures with my Facebook group on Facebook, which is Fluid Acrylic. I always say that. Fluid, excuse me, Art Fanatics. Goodness, sorry about that. I got a frog in my throat. Fluid Art Fanatics. It's a group on Facebook. The link will be in the description bar. So you can look for me there if you want to share. And if you share on Instagram, I always watch for the hashtag HappyPouring2018. So if you share on Instagram, use that hashtag and I will see what you guys are up to. I always like to see what everybody's doing. We will see you next time, guys. Hit that thumbs up if you liked it, and hit subscribe to see more videos and be notified when I post. We will see you next time. Happy pouring. So seriously, on every single video, how many times can I say we will see you next time? So, no more of that. Happy pouring, guys.